2017 Chevy Cruze front wheel bearing replacement. Here are the tools needed to replace the wheel bearing. I'll post the link in the comment section below for it. So we're gonna start by removing the brake returning screw. Let's jam the rotor in place, and we're gonna use a hammer to tap the rotor, not the braking surfaces, but near where the studs are, because we're gonna reuse the brake rotor. So make sure you don't damage it. And we're gonna use our T30 to remove the returning screw. It's pretty hard, so you need a lot of effort to remove it. Good. Now we're gonna remove the caliper bolt. There are two 21mm. Remove the top bolt and the bottom one. There you go. Now we're gonna apply the caliper assembly of the rotor with a screwdriver, and we're gonna use a bungee cord to hold the caliper, to not put pressure on the caliper hose. So we're gonna use some PB blaster on the axle nut and the wheel bearing bolt. There are 3 of them. The axle nut socket is a 32mm. Good. Now we're gonna use a chisel and push the axle out, but make sure we lube it and try to move it out of the wheel bearing. Now we're gonna remove the 3 wheel bearing bolts. They are 18mm. Good. There you go. Take the bolt out. You're gonna use a hammer to tap the wheel bearing because it's rusted in there. You're gonna have to hit it a few times so you can get it out. Start to move. There you go. Now we're gonna clean the ball. Make sure you pay attention to the ABS sensor that right there. Don't touch it. Do not try to clean it neither. We're gonna use a wire brush like this to clean the ball and the outside surfaces. Because if you don't, the wheel bearing will fight you to go in because of the rust. It's pretty clean now. Now let's start our bolt so you can hold the shield, the rotor shield. Make sure you put the shield in the right orientation, because if you don't, you won't. You're gonna have a hard time putting the brake caliper in. Now we're putting our wheel bearing. Make sure the wheel bearing line up with the bolt on the other side. Good. I'm gonna finish tying the bolt with my ratchet. I will do it. I'll go back and forth with it. I wouldn't tie one bolt all the way. You want it to go in evenly and fully seated. So go back and forth between the both so you can do that. Now let's install our brake holder and the holder retaining screw. There you go. Now we're gonna put our caliper in place. Good. Now we're going to tie our axle nut. Here are the torque spec for it. And there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.